Hey guys, today we are doing a 5-day camper van. Last time when we took the camper van, it was a smaller one and we took for 2 nights. But this time, as you see, it's a big one. So, come with us to see what is inside the camper van.
Welcome to our home for next 5 days. This is a 2-person camper van and the model is called Sandpiper. So this is our dining/work area with a folded table. You can just bring it up and this becomes your dining table or the workstation. Just few steps from here, we have our kitchen area. This is a 3-burner stove. There is a sink provided. You also have a microwave and a fridge, and there are some cutleries. Here we have a full-size bed. The best part is that it is already laid out, so you don't have to make your bed every day. Up here, there is an AC and a heater which works on the external power supply, which we will get at our campsite. Over here, there is a full-size mirror and I can check myself before going out. And behind this mirror, there is a shower and a toilet. This camper van has lot of cabinets for storage, and there is a TV also right here. And here we have pretty standard and well laid out dashboard with ample of leg room. There is a swivel chair on the driver's seat, so you can completely turn it around.
So in our plan, we have booked 2 campsites. We are traveling west from Sydney to a place called Burrinjuck. The closest city to that is Yass. There we'll spend 2 nights and then we'll drive down to south towards the Sapphire Coast to Bermagui, where we'll spend 3 nights. The daily rate of this camper van is around $200, which changes with season. You can use your car driving license to drive this camper van. The fuel used in this camper van is diesel. Some of the smaller camper vans use petrol.
We have taken a stop at Goulburn to try the famous pies at Trapper's Bakery.
How is it?
Very tasty.
In Goulburn, the most famous thing is the Big Merino, which you see there.
We did a pit stop at Woolies to get our food supplies for the camper van.
On our way, we stopped at this million-years-old lake. This lake has earned the reputation of Australia's own Bermuda Triangle with disappearing waters and ghostly hitchhikers. But what we saw is a beautiful lake with some scenic rest areas.
We are going downhill very slowly and I can see the lake from here. We are about to reach our caravan park. We will go and check in and find our campsite.
So we have reached here and it seems that the office is closed. We just called up using this radio. Seems somebody is coming down to help us with the access and the park details.
You're here in the office. When you come through here, you drive in this way here, and just before the kiosk, drive in. And we've just got you on 311, but any of these, there's all your powered sites in the middle.
So we got our campsite details and we are heading towards that location. There's a boom gate. We'll cross that and then head directly to our campsite. Okay, so we have reached the boom gate. You have to put the passcode, but I don't think my hands will go there.
We spotted some kangaroos here in the park. It has been a long day, but now we have set our camper van at the campsite.
So tomorrow we are going to explore this place. So see you on the next episode. Bye.
Bye.